project is the part of task of project submission activity by Team Pragyastra. The title of my project is Fire Alarm. We will require few basic components to create this one. At first, a Arduino board, which is Arduino Uno. To connect the Arduino board with PC, we will require the USB cable. A buzzer, which will work on 3 to 24 volt of DC supply. A gas sensor, which is MQ5, and few jumper wires, male to female one. As you can see in the circuit diagram, the connections are pretty simple. From the gas sensor, the VCC is connected to 5 volt of DC supply to the Arduino board. The ground of gas sensor is connected to the ground of Arduino board. The analog pin A0 of the gas sensor is connected to the analog pin of A5 of the Arduino board. The positive of the buzzer is connected to the digital pin 8 and the negative is connected to the ground. Let's make all the connections. As I explained it in the circuit diagram, we will do the connections. And it's done. Let's connect the buzzer now. Here we go at pin 8 and the negative to the ground. Yeah, and it's done. Oh, the main thing, our USB cable. Okay, let's connect it to. And our project is good to go. Let's connect this to PC. Yup. This is the basic code. Let's connect the Arduino to PC. Can you see the light glow? Time to upload the code. Here you can see the progress. And it's done. As a fire alarm, it should detect the smoke. Let's see. You see it's working? No smoke, no alarm. With smoke, the buzzer makes the sound. You wanna hear it again? See, it works. Pretty simple. Just you require a Arduino board, a buzzer and a gas sensor. That's it. And in conclusion, my project worked. This is Nandini Sakhare signing off.